प्रियांशु पेन्युली ई टाइम्स वेलकम्स यू फॉर हाउ आई मेड इट। क्या चल रहा है आपके लाइफ में?
थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी ओवर एंड फिलहाल अब धीरे धीरे काम वापस शुरू हो रहा है तो उसी की तैयारी चल रही है एंड बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस सेकंड वेव भी हम लोगों ने आई मीन टच वुड इट वाज वेरी डिजास्ट्रस बट थैंकफुली मी माय फैमिली एवरीबॉडी हैज बीन सेफ एंड अब देख रहे हैं कि धीरे धीरे आई जस्ट होप कि काम शुरू हो जाए एंड सब लोग सेफ रहे प्रोटेक्टेड रहे तो ये सभी प्रेप चल रहा है आई एम स्टार्टिंग माय नेक्स्ट फिल्म नेक्स्ट मंथ एंड उसके बाद जितनी भी लाइनअप है उसको हम लोग कर रहे हैं.
That's really good to hear. But I'll take you back right from the day you started. Band Baja Barat was your first, 2015, if I'm not wrong.
Can be, yeah. Bang Baja Barat was my first web series there, yeah. But Rock On 2 I had shot तब तक. I think वो आई बाद में थी. But I had shot for Rock On 2, which would be my, as a Bollywood film would be first.
So tell me, what about this? What did you feel about the start? Were you happy with the way you took off?
I think I was always focused on ki, even if I do a small role anywhere, whether it is web series, films, there should be something, some meat, जिसे कहते हैं, something to materialize, something as an actor to show, and not just be around as a friend, but even if I'm playing a friend or a brother, which was initially the kind of roles I played, but that should have something to show as an actor. It should have something interesting as a character itself. The character should add something to the story. And it should not be one of those ki miss ho jaye. Of course, you want to be recognized slowly because I feel even if it's a small or big role, if you're a good actor, if you can show it in those one scene, two scenes as well, that was the aim. So I think I was really happy. And Bang Baja was a fun, friendly kind of a setup because Anand Tiwari and all of us, we were all friends since theatre days. And उसमें Ali था, Rajat sir हैं, everybody. So being on set there was something like, you're being with the family and friends and just enjoying a process. And that time I think none of us realized कि इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा web series का, because that was made for YouTube. And we didn't know that we're going to make web series after this for so long. Similarly with Rock On 2, I think it was an interesting role. I think that is what I'm aiming for and I'm always going to do is now do lead roles, but there should be interesting material to play with as an actor.
Take me through the auditions. Did you get Band Baja first project very easily, or were there a series of rejections before that?
Oh, many. I mean, even after, I wouldn't say Bang Baja. I mean, the only thing is, if you start knowing people, then you start getting calls for some of the projects. So initially, when I came to Bombay, जब मैं 2010 में आया था, तब आपको पता नहीं था कि कहाँ जाना है, किससे connect करना है, who do you tell कि I am an actor. I mean, of course, in Bombay, you can just keep telling everybody around कि आप actor हो. So slowly you start getting to know कि आराम नगर एक जगह है जहाँ auditions होते हैं. You start doing theatre. I really wanted to do theatre because back in Bangalore where I grew up, वहाँ मैंने theatre किया था and I said I should continue this. It's a place, I think theatre is somewhere where you can keep growing, you keep experimenting with yourself, you keep learning the craft more and more, which is what I wanted to do. So I think getting to know people is the difficult part. Where what is happening is the difficult part. Then you just have to keep auditioning. And I think, I don't know, I've lost count, but 5,000, 10,000, पता नहीं कितने audition दिए हैं. I mean, I remember watching films and being like, अरे इस role के लिए भी audition दिया था, अरे इसके लिए भी मैंने audition दिया, इसके लिए भी दिया है. So you miss a lot. You obviously, but there are not failures. There are some misses. Basically, you are not fitting the part because of many reasons. And you have to grow as an actor. तो मैं वही कर रहा था. मैंने कहा चलो ये miss हो गया, but I will become better and now get it next time. So every failure or every audition which I used to miss, in a way I used to light my fire again and I used to start burning again कि अभी फिर से करना है, next audition तो मैं करके दिखाऊंगा. वो शुरू हो जाता था मेरा. And Bang Baja Barat was through audition. Everything actually till date what I've done is only through auditions and being selected.
Did the makers tell you that why they have rejected you?
Not always. I mean, I don't think they need to also tell me. I was a new actor always. I'm still a new actor, I would consider. And but some places I understood myself because I would say I've studied films back in Bangalore. I've done my course for 3 years. I've done films. I make my own short films. I direct films. Some places I've directed music videos, documentaries. So I understand behind the camera what is there, what is the process of basically making a character. from the writing, from the inception point, there is a certain vision of a director. Sometimes you don't fit physically. Sometimes the way you speak is different. The way the person has to be. But I think we are changing now. I think a lot of casting directors, when that system came in, I think which is 5-6 years back, and I started 10 years back. Yeah. But 5-6 years back, when say Abhishek Banerjee in casting day, when Mukesh Chabra, all these guys started making their proper setup. अब कास्टिंग का सिस्टम काफी बहुत अच्छा सिस्टमाइज्ड तरीके से होता है. They are taking I mean they're experimenting with you. They are also calling you for roles which I wouldn't have thought कि मुझे मिलेगा.
So are you trying to tell me that 6 years ago the makers were looking for certain typical mannerisms which you had in or which you still have in some of the senior heroes, and that's the era which we were in? And the second question which comes to my mind is that if they didn't tell you the reasons that why they were rejecting you, then how were you working on yourself? I mean, how were you polishing those gray areas?
See, the main thing is, I think I generally also, whether I'm doing an audition or not doing an audition, I feel as an actor, you should keep working on yourself. It is not a craft कि मैं एक दिन उठूंगा और सिर्फ audition में, मतलब on the set जाके as an actor, I'll perform. So I think even to perform, which comes from the theatre little practice कि हम एक play को perform करने के लिए 2 महीने उसको पहले बहुत ज़्यादा उसको जैसे कहते हैं निचोड़ लेते हैं, और फिर जाके जब स्टेज में जाते हैं तो तब भी एक्सपेरिमेंट कर ही रहे होते हैं. इवन आफ्टर like there's a play I do with Shreya Pilgaonkar, Shikha Talsania, Hussain Dalal. हम लोग एक play करते हैं Internal Affairs. We've done 86 shows of it, but even now when we go it, we try and do it a little differently. You want to approach it a little differently. You want to try doing something as different as an actor. Even now, so when I've done an audition, I come back home, I forget about it. I don't think कि मुझे मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. But my idea is कि next audition में मैं क्या अच्छा कर सकता हूँ, क्या different कर सकता हूँ. या पिछले वाले audition में मुझे casting director ने बोला था कि ये बहुत अच्छा किया था आपने. So I'll keep that in mind, and I know that these are my pluses. But what more can I do with myself as an actor? And thankfully, challenging roles अब इसलिए आ रहे हैं because things are changing. I mean, if you see the hero का definition has changed, the way people are approaching characters have changed, the way stories are changed because of OTT, because of the new directors, writers who have come up and so that's why I never thought I'll do a role like Amir Asif in Extraction, a very Bangla speaking gangster, or Robin in Mirzapur. So those are very, very different roles to do.
So are you telling me that the casting directors made it easy for, say, a guy who has the boy next door image? He doesn't have hardcore mannerisms. Just became a little easier for him to go through.
Yeah, I think what casting directors are doing is now with a director and a writer and the team, casting directors are looking at a character very differently now. They can approach and they can suggest to the director, yeah, let's try. Like I know for the fact that for Amir Asif Extraction, there have been different age groups of people who had been tested before. I mean, I don't know who, I don't know the names, but I was told that they tried looking at Amir Asif as a 40-year-old, 50-year-old guy, and then they said, this is not working for us in the film. Somehow they didn't find auditions well or whatever, but then they said, chalo, let's try a younger guy. And then they tried me, a 30-year-old guy, and it really worked for them. So I think the experiments are happening more because the casting directors are sitting there suggesting like we can approach a character like this way also. An actor like, I mean, I never thought Ali Fazal to play the way he plays Mirzapur. A very, very, I mean, if you see the kind of work he's done before, and suddenly he comes and plays that. So people are now experimenting with actors, and that is the best part. I mean, in Bollywood, we were stuck somewhere with a kind and wo stereotype karna tha pehle. Ab nahi ho raha hai, which is a good thing.
Which project do you term as your turning point? Would you say it was Bhavesh Joshi, or was it the Mirzapur series which you did?
I think Bhavesh Joshi gave me that definitely I would call myself call it a special one, my breakthrough film, because Bhavesh was I think after that the doors opened in the industry. I got love and appreciation from the audience, the limited audience which saw it initially. I think then people started watching it on Netflix and the film grew dhire dhire. But when people keep watching it, the fans, they keep coming back and they keep saying, they're hardcore fans of Bhavesh. So the love came from the audience, but moreover from the industry people. And people saw this side of performer in me, and as an actor, they kind of appreciated, started respecting me. The more doors opened, I would say, because of Bhavesh, to when I walked into any office after that, and did more and more meetings. But yes, opportunities still were missing. I still wanted to do more and more. The thing is that only when you do a hit film or a hit web series is when you become popular also. And then slowly instead of you signing one film 1 year, you're signing them 2 or 3 because you've been part of a hit film or a hit series. That is what happened with Mirzapur. So Mirzapur it was a hit show. You were anyway entering that, and Robin became a hit. So I would say usse popularity और बढ़ी, ज़्यादा वो मिला. Yeah.
Incidentally, you think very much like your Bhavesh Joshi co-star Harshvardhan, because he also comes from that school there where I don't want to do the stereotype mannerisms, say like those of his father, which he has been very categorical in his interviews that I don't want to copy him, or I don't want to be just a he hasn't used the word, but maybe what he means is he doesn't want to be the clone. So, is this the general trend that you observe in your age group now?
I think so, yeah. I think that is what is happening with all the new age actors today with our generation. And if you see the examples with, I'm naming people like Rajkumar, Vicky, Ayushmann, everybody is experimenting, they're coming up with different films. And these are today our generation's A-list actors, I would call them, doing back-to-back really good works. And all of us now want to follow this trend because I think all of us are the worldwide, actually, if you see the films and the series itself has also changed. The collaborative work has started happening, the series kind of working, the kind of stories we're making, they are very, very universal. So I think it'll be nicer if we don't stereotype any actor today. It'll be nicer if we experiment with actors today. I would love to play any role. I mean, it just should it should have a great material to play. I would love to play a 60-year-old man. I mean, I think only Anupam Kher once played it. उसके बाद से किसी ने ऐसे कुछ कभी experiment ही नहीं किया. So it can be anything. You can't restrict me in this way. I mean, that's what I want to do.
You raised a good question. Why are people not experimenting? Excited about Rashmi Rocket? You're working with Taapsee Pannu?
Oh, yes. Very much, very much. We finished the film. We had a great time shooting for it. The shooting went, I mean, that was when the last time the unlock happened. Taapsee, one of the most energetic, exciting, and what a talent she is. I mean, she's very, very hardworking. So you learn a lot from her. And I think the way the setup was and the kind of film it is, it's very special to me because I'm playing an army officer the first time. I come from an army background. My dad was an army officer. I mean, he's a retired colonel. So me playing an army guy, first time in a film with Taapsee, RSVP film, I always wanted to enter, a film by RSVP. So वो सब एक साथ हो रहा है, and it is directed by one of my very good friend Akash Khurana again. So he's very excited for the film. All of us are very excited. Let's see. I mean, it should hopefully release this year. We're looking at it. It's a good story. Let's see. Yeah.
Tell us.
वो हमारी जोड़ी कैसे लोगों को लगती है वो मुझे देखना है. I really want to see how people find me as an army officer and us together.
Tell us the story with Vandana Joshi. How did you fall in love with her?
अभी तो 7-8 साल हो गए. अब तो हम we are married couple, but हाँ, मतलब हम लोग ने we started working together as co-actors. She's also an actor dancer. Her career started from television, but then went into, and then she left. She started with DID, slowly moved to TV shows, and then this musical show I used to do called Taj Express for Vaibhavi Merchant. And usme she was one of the lead actors. I was there. There was Joycelyn Gupta and Dhruv Bhandari. So we were the 4 actors. There's some 40 dancers, 2,000 costumes. We were 2 years performing this show around the world, traveling. हम लोग 1 महीने France जाते थे, वापस आते थे. We would come, rest, prepare the show for the next country. So that's how we met. I mean, it was the best way of meeting as an actor. Also, I think मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ to understand your partner, you should travel with your partner. Being in one city and traveling with a partner is you understand each other's temperaments very well. तो वो तो हम कर ही रहे थे एक साथ. I think slowly we started liking each other. We started a relationship, and we were traveling and we were working together. So that became a very good thing. And I think in 2013 is when we started this journey. So हमने वो show तो छोड़ दिया because वो 100 we had done some 120 shows around the world. After that, we continued.
How has the married life been? How would you describe it?
It's just the change in our house and our setup and with our family. Otherwise, we both, I think, because we was with each other for so long, I think हम दोनों को तो इतना लग नहीं रहा है कि शादी हो गई, पता नहीं चल रहा है. लेकिन I think it's just the change in the house. Now you're more responsible. You're planning things ahead. Future planning अब सोचनी पड़ रही है. Families के बारे में आप ज़्यादा सोचते हो, and you know, their connection is more important. I think for us, we're still feeling like we're same. Yeah.
Tell us about
nice.
that role. You were telling me there were some roles which you saw and you said, "हाँ, इसके लिए भी मैंने audition किया था." You know, tell us some of the roles you auditioned for and others went on to do it.
Okay, I think I can say it now because I mean I leave the small ones, the many small ones, but one of my favorite ones have been I had auditioned for MC Sher, Gully Boy, which Siddhant did. I was this is an interesting one. There's not many people know about this. I was a finalist with Kubra for Kuku's role in Sacred Games. So I lost weight, and this was when Bhavesh Joshi was being edited. And Motwani sir came to me and he said, we were trying to figure out whether a guy should play Kuku in Sacred Game or whether a girl should play Kuku. And we were testing people, we were auditioning people. Would you like to understand this? And I met Kashyap sir, and then I understood the part. And he said, "Yaar, मुझे तेरी acting से तो मतलब I know how you act, and उसके मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. वो तो अच्छा कर ही लेगा scenes में. But एक बार पढ़ ले, read some of the Kuku scenes and see if you want to attempt it because it is a little tricky to play that part." तो मैंने Kuku के scenes पढ़े and then I said, "Give me 1 month's time." तो उसमें बहुत prep गया था, and these guys also enjoyed the prep. I think I remember I'm wearing 5 inches heels, walking around the house. I lost weight, fully weight. I have pictures, but I have pictures of my Kuku trial test. We did 2-3 hours of. So it's the same getup which Kubra did. I got eyelashes, the wig, the same gown with everything, and I had to learn the dance very, very much. Like Zina Tapan was the reference. जवानी जाने मन वाला जो पुराना गाना है उसमें मैंने फिर मुझे कोरियोग्राफर दिया इन्होंने मैंने स्टूडियो में जाके हील्स पहन के पूरे गाउन में परफॉर्म किया है परवीन बॉबी I'm sorry परवीन बॉबी so the idea was to have grace have a dance so I learned the dancing everything went into it and you know how it does so it was interesting to I love preparing for a part like this like हुआ नहीं हुआ वो ठीक है वो दूसरी बात है. But it was interesting to test for the part like this. Very, very challenging.
They said we want to go with a girl.
Yeah, I think eventually, I think Netflix and everybody decided that. But I think what Kubra was bringing in, I was missing somewhere. She was just getting that little bit of the body language, which is what's very important as a cook. When I saw her doing it, I said, yeah, she I think was the right one to what she was getting into the space. मेरा शायद also dancing में भी मैं इतना graceful नहीं लग रहा था तो क्योंकि वो कुकू reveal जो होती है वो graceful dancing जो होती है you know all that was there and but yeah I mean I think just that they trusted me कि I should attempt this I felt very good and I took it as a challenge and
absolutely
gave my
and what happened in Zoya's film?
I don't know I just give my auditions and as I said उसमें तो I think 1-2 rounds हुए. I also made my rap song. I wrote a rap. I anyway love rap. I used to listen to Eminem a lot. Wrote my rap song and went and performed. And उस time I remember I think I lost weight, and that was I was doing for some other role. So I think I was looking too young, and they wanted somebody who could with Ranveer Singh. You know, obviously like Siddhant looks big, and you can if he ages up, if he bulks up, then you can look big. You can look bigger than a character like him. So yeah. But there are many like this when you watch and you say, "Yeah, iske liye kiya tha." But the idea, as I'm saying again, I think it's what you miss is also good for you, and what you're getting is actually much better for you. That's shaping your career.
And which is the film that you have signed, which you are going to start working on, which you earlier mentioned?
Oh, this next one. I don't know if I'm allowed to say it. अभी तो एक तो Pipa है, which is already announced. We just started doing the prep and we was planning to shoot it, but second wave came in. So Pipa is very interesting because based on 70s war, अपना Bangladesh war. Me, Ishan, Khatar, Mrunal, we're playing siblings. Wo I'm really looking forward to. I don't know when. Hopefully, we're looking at when we can start the film. This next one, I think I don't know if I can speak about it because we're still like signing it and all that is happening. So I'll leave it for I'll announce it soon. But it's an interesting film. There are two interesting lineups this year, apart from Pipa.
Very good, Priyanshu. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
I wish you all the best for all your future assignments. And thank you so much for these 3 times.
Thank you so much. I'm glad to be here. Thank you so much. Take care.